Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Decoders YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do Power BI tutorial number 37, which is create a custom traffic light visual using pie chart in Power BI. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel for more Power BI videos. So let's go to the tutorial and see how we can do this. Right, towards the end of this tutorial, so you will learn how to do this type of or create this type of traffic light. So as you can see, this traffic light is created by using a pie chart. So let's say if I select 15,000, it will comes green. If you select 12,000, it will become red. So if you go to 17,000, it will become green. So as a benchmark, I set if the sales value is greater than 13,000, it displays green. If it is less than 13,000, to display red. So let's see how we can do this. Right, so in here my dataset contains salesperson, item, sales value, sales data and feedback. So this file that can download, the link is mentioned in the description section. Right, for the demonstration purpose, I'll create a small table, right, and I'll add salesperson and sales value, right, so I'll increase the size as well. Right, now I have to add two measurements as the traffic light controllers. So you can add any type of measurement as the traffic light. For the demonstration, I will add only two. So one is, I said green. So here the logic is, if some sales value greater than 13,000, then it should return 1, else it should return 0. So that would be my first measurement, right? And my second measurement is, so I go to modeling and sorry, not quick measurement, I would say I would add a new measurement here. I say red if some sales value is less than 13,000, I say 1 and 0. So here I just add two measurements. Right, as you see here in my field section, now these two measurements are there. Right, now it's time to add a pie chart. So I add a pie chart here, right, and then in this pie chart what I want is, I add to this, for the values section I add these two measurement which is created. Right, now what I have to do is, I have to go here in the format section, and when it's come to data colors, in the green I have to set it as green, and for the red I will set red color here, right? So that is now finished, and I have to switch off all these other values, red, all these legends, and then detailed and title. So now everything is now we have removed. Right, so now our traffic light is ready. Right, so now we go and test it. So if you click around creator, so as you can see now it makes red because it is less than 13,000, and if you create if you select Brittany, so it comes to green because it is more than 13,000. Right, so with this logic, so I think you understood the logic that I have explained, how to use a pie chart with this by using this values section and also using this data colors. Right, so you can demonstrated you can develop any type of traffic light by using all kind of customized traffic light by using this pie chart. And I hope you like the video and you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and please share it with your friends, and thanks for watching.